What's the best thermal imaging camera for my project managers in the field? Well, I'll tell you, in our opinion, it's going to be the FLIR E6. In previous videos, you might have seen where we talked about the FLIR C2 for technicians. At just under 5,000 pixels, it's a good camera to find an issue, but not the best camera for reporting. With the E6, at over quadruple the resolution and not quite quadruple the price at just under $2,000, it's a lot more rugged, you get better imaging, it's got a replaceable battery, and it also looks a little bit more professional for the project manager that might be dealing with customers and generating reports. So this is a good choice for the guy in the field that's going to be doing reporting, needs that image quality. It also has Wi-Fi so that they can actually get images from the camera to their device and back to the office when needed. For more information about the FLIR E6, contact your nearest NSN dealer today.